What's up, guys? It's boy Canon Corey here, and recently I went to a new hookah lounge that I just discovered here in Houston. It's really kind of like more on the southeast side of Houston. It's called Social Smoke, and they have some pretty dope hookah there. It was hitting pretty hard. I think the hookahs there are only like $25 a piece. So when I got invited to go there by a friend of mine who was doing like a pre-birthday celebration, I definitely decided to bring my camera so I could share with you guys as well. Now, I wouldn't say that the place is like super impressive. It's really more of like just a vibe. I believe we were in the middle of kind of like a strip area where there's a bunch of other stores all around it, and you kind of walk in from off the sidewalk after you park in the parking lot. There's plenty of parking, and it's free. A lot of the hookah lounges here in Houston, you have to pay for parking. Like, it may be free to get in, but it's like $20 to park in the parking lot. But this hookah lounge is way more chill because it's not so close to downtown. Like I said, it's really kind of like southeast Houston, going towards the Galveston area where they're more lax on like the club life. And so like once going in, it was way more relaxed. Me and Kim sat at the bar. She ordered a hookah, and then I got a hookah. Because with it being so cheap, most of the time hookahs in Houston are usually somewhere closer to $40. So the fact that it was $25 almost kind of felt like it was half off for us, because we're used to paying more for it. So we decided to get two. But as far as the vibe in there, the DJ was okay. I think they could have maybe found a little bit better DJ. At first he was a little sketch, but he started playing a couple songs that are famous here in Houston that people got the vibe with and got more into it, especially as they got to drinking. Speaking of drinking, that's also a plus. This lounge actually is a full bar as well, so if there's any type of specific liquor that you're looking for, you can find it there. There are some hookah lounges in Houston that are BYOB. For example, Nomad is a BYOB establishment. They got hookahs and food and everything, but they don't sell alcohol. But yeah, I just wanted to share this spot with you guys. I know some of you guys find my page because you're looking for a place to get some hookah here in Houston, especially if you're from out of town. And this is an option if you don't want to deal with all the lines and waiting in downtown Houston or dealing with the sections and stuff. Because if you go to a hookah lounge like Nomad or Uptown in the middle of the afternoon or on a hot day like a weekend, you're not going to find anywhere to sit if you didn't already reserve a section. And they're probably going to be selling the sections for a couple $100s the same way they do in a nightclub. But in a place like Social Smoke, you're never going to run into that. You can go in there probably any time of the day and just find a place to sit, get you a hookah, and just chill out with some friends. But anyways, I hope you guys learned something. I put the address and the links to everything for this place in the description, so if you guys wanted to go to discover it yourself, you can definitely go do that. Make sure you tell them that Ken and Corey sent you. They probably don't even know I'm making this video. I'm not getting paid from anybody. There's no promo or anything like that. Just wanted to share with you guys some different hidden jewels that I found in the city of Houston. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace.